Hello students and good morning. So now I am doing class for class 11. The topic is the same topic that we were doing in the last online class, that is trigonometrical ratios of compound angles. So today is your continuation class of this chapter. So same exercise 4, 2 mark section, page number 138 from the book Higher Mathematics for class 11 by SND. So let us do this question number 3. Number 1. If alpha and beta are positive acute angles and number A here is sin alpha is equal to 1 by root 5 and sin beta is equal to 1 by root over 10, then find alpha plus beta. So sin alpha here is 1 by root 5 and sin beta is equal to 1 by root 10. Then you have to find out the value of alpha plus beta. So in the question it is given that both alpha and beta are positive acute angles. That means both these alpha and beta lies in the first quadrant. And you know that in the first quadrant all the trigonometrical ratios are positive. Sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, sec, cosec and cot all are positive in the first quadrant. Okay, so here it is given sin alpha is equal to 1 by root 5 and sin beta is equal to 1 by root 10. Then find out alpha plus beta. So we cannot directly find out alpha plus beta in this case. Either, first of all, in order to find out alpha plus beta, first of all you have to get either sine of alpha plus beta and cos of alpha plus beta. Okay, so if you want to get sine of alpha plus beta, what is the formula? Sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Okay, so if you want to get alpha plus beta, you may find out cos of alpha plus beta. What is the formula for cos of alpha plus beta? It is cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta. So in the question, sine alpha and sine beta are already given. In the question, sine alpha and sine beta are already given. So you have to get the value for cos alpha and cos beta. Okay, since alpha and beta lies in the first quadrant, sine alpha cos beta, sine alpha sine beta, cos alpha cos beta all are positive values. Okay, so let us find out first from sine alpha is equal to 1 by root 5. Let us find out cos alpha first. Okay, so here given is sine alpha is equal to 1 by root 5. So we have to find out cos alpha in order to get the value for sine of alpha plus beta. So let us get the value for cos alpha. What is cos alpha in terms of sine alpha? It is cos alpha is equal to root over 1 minus sine square alpha. You know that, isn't it? Since it is positive, so cos alpha is equal to positive square root of 1 minus sine square alpha. So therefore cos alpha is equal to within square root 1 minus what is sine square alpha? It is 1 upon root 5 whole square. So or cos alpha is equal to root over this is 1 minus 1 by 5, or this is cos alpha is equal to root over 5 ones are 5 minus 1 is 4 by 5, or what is cos alpha here? It is 2 upon root 5. So what is the value for cos alpha? It is 2 upon root 5. So we got the value for cos alpha. Okay, similarly from sine beta you have to get the value for cos beta. Again, sine beta is equal to 1 upon root 10. Okay, now from sine beta you have to get the value for cos beta. So we know that cos beta is always positive in the first quadrant. Cos beta is also positive in the first quadrant. So what is cos beta in terms of sine beta? Cos beta is equal to root over 1 minus this is sine square beta. So or this is cos beta is equal to root over 1 minus this is 1 by root 10 whole square. So we are substituting the value of sine beta. Okay, So or now this is cos beta is equal to root over 1 minus, what is 1 by root 10 whole square? It is 1 by 10. Or now this is cos beta is equal to root over, this is 10 ones are 10 minus 1 is 9 by 10. Or what is cos beta is equal to, this is 3 upon root 10. So we have got both the values of cos alpha and cos beta from sin alpha and sin beta respectively. So all the values are positive in this case, because in the question it is given that alpha and beta are positive acute angles, and both these angles lie in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant all the trigonometrical ratios are positive. Okay, so now we have to get the value for alpha plus beta. So in order to get the value for alpha plus beta, let us first calculate either sine of alpha plus beta or cos of alpha plus beta. You may get sine of alpha plus beta or you may get cos of alpha plus beta, but you have to find out only one value. So let us get the value for sine of alpha plus beta. Therefore, sine of alpha plus beta is equal to, what is the formula? Now you know the formula, sine of a plus b, sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Okay, so which is equal to, what is sine alpha? What is sine alpha? 1 by root 5. It is 1 by root 5 into, what is cos beta? It is 3 by root 10. It is 3 by root 10 plus, what is cos alpha? 2 by root 5. It is 2 by root 5 into, what is sine beta? It is 1 by root 10. It is 1 by root 10. Okay, so which is equal to 3 divided by root 5 into root 10, root 50, plus 2 ones are 2 divided by root 5 into root 10, root 50. So what's the LCM? Root 50. You can add 3 plus 2 is 5 divided by root over 50. So let us simplify it. So how will you simplify it now? So 50 can be simplified as 5 divided by root over, this 50 is 25 into 2 is equal to 5 divided by, what is root over 25? It is 5, and this is root 2. So here 5 gets cancels, which is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, so what is the value for sine of alpha plus beta? So sine of alpha plus beta is equal to 1 upon root 2. So I think you have understood it, but you have to get only the value for alpha plus beta. Now sine of which angle is 1 by root 2? Sine 45 degree, isn't it? So you know that. Or sine of alpha plus beta is equal to, sine of which angle is 1 by root 2? It is sine 45. So from both the sides you can cancel sine. So alpha plus beta is equal to what? It is 45 degrees. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is 3.1 number B. So the given here is, if alpha and beta are positive acute angles. So if alpha and beta are positive acute angles, all these angles lie in the first quadrant. And in the first quadrant, all the trigonometrical ratios are positive. You know that, isn't it? And number B, let's do this number B. Tan alpha is equal to cot beta is equal to A. Find alpha plus beta. If tan alpha is equal to cot beta is equal to A, that means tan alpha is equal to A and cot beta is also A. You have to get the value for alpha plus beta. Okay. The similarly, you can do this number C and D. So I'll give you the hints for C and D. So here tan alpha is 2 by 5 and tan beta is equal to 3 by 7. You have to find out alpha plus beta. Just find out tan of alpha plus beta first. You know the value of tan of alpha plus beta formula, tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So you first find out tan of alpha plus beta, then easily you can get the value for alpha plus beta. Similarly, you can do this number D. So C is your homework, right? So number D also you can do similarly. Your cot alpha is equal to 1/4 and cot beta is equal to 5/3. You have to prove that alpha minus beta is equal to 45 degree. So in this case, in order to prove alpha minus beta in terms of 45 degree, first of all you find out the value for cot of alpha minus beta, because in the question it is given cot alpha is equal to 1/4 and cot beta is equal to 5/3. So first of all you have to get the value for cot alpha minus beta, and then we can easily prove alpha minus beta is equal to 45 degree. So this number D is also your homework. Okay, so let's do this number B. That is solution for number B. So if alpha and beta are positive acute angles and tan alpha tan alpha is equal to A and cot beta is equal to A, you have to get the value for alpha plus beta. So here given is tan alpha is equal to A and cot beta is also A. So from cot beta you can easily get the value for tan beta. So therefore what is cot beta in terms of tan beta? 1 upon tan beta is equal to, this is A upon 1. So invert both the sides in order to get the value for tan beta, right? So inverting both the sides, what is tan beta is equal to? This is 1 upon A. So I think you have understood it. So we have got both the values of tan alpha as well as tan beta. What is tan alpha here? It is A. What is tan beta here? It is 1 upon A. So now we have to get the value for alpha plus beta. So let us get the value for tan of alpha plus beta first. So therefore tan of alpha plus beta is equal to, what is the formula? That is tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Is that clear? So now let us put the value for tan alpha. So now what is tan alpha? What is tan alpha here? It is A. Plus what is tan beta? It is 1 upon A. Okay. Then let us write 1 minus A into what is tan beta? 1 upon A. A gets cancels. So in the numerator we have A plus 1 upon A divided by 1 minus 1. So is equal to A plus 1 upon A divided by 1 minus 1 is 0. So you know that something divided by 0 is undefined quantity, or it is infinity. Or this is known as what? Infinity. Is that clear? So what is the value for tan of alpha plus beta? So tan of alpha plus beta is equal to undefined quantity, or it is infinity. Now in this case you have to get only the value for alpha plus beta. Okay. So tan ko kun se angle say infinity ho. Tan of which angle is undefined or infinity? Tan 90 degree. You know that, isn't it? So or now this is tan of alpha plus beta is equal to, this is your tan 90 degree. Is that clear? Tan 90 degree is undefined or infinity. From both the signs you can cancel tan. So what do we get? So alpha plus beta is equal to what? It is 90 degree. So this is your answer. So I think you have understood it. Similarly you can do this number C and D at home. So these are your homework. Okay. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is 3 number 2. So here it is given that if capital A, comma, capital B, comma, capital C are positive acute angles, that means all the angle lies in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant all the trigonometrical ratios are positive. And also it is given that tan A is equal to 4 by 7, tan B is equal to 1 by 7, tan C is equal to 1 by 8. So you have to prove that A plus B plus C is equal to 45 degree. Okay. So in the question it is given that A, B and C are positive acute angles and all the angles lie in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant all these tan A, tan B, tan C are all positive. Okay. So the values of tan A, tan B and tan C are also given. You have to prove that A plus B plus C is equal to 45 degree. Is that clear? So now how will you prove it? So in order to prove A plus B plus C is equal to 45 degree, first of all let us calculate tan of A plus B plus C. Okay. So therefore let us find out tan of A plus B plus C, which is equal to, you know the formula, isn't it? Tan of A plus B plus C. What is the formula? That is tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A, tan B, tan C. This whole divided by in the denominator 1 minus tan A, tan B minus tan B, tan C minus tan C, tan A. Is that clear? So now let us put those values of given values, that is tan A, tan B and tan C. So what is tan A in this case? It is 4 by 7 plus what is tan B? 1 by 7. What is tan C? 1 upon 8 minus 4 by 7 into 1 by 7 into 1 by 8 whole divided by, in the denominator 1 minus, now what is tan A in this case? 4 by 7 into tan B 1 by 7 minus, again what is tan B? 1 by 7 into 1 by 8, 1 by 7 into 1 by 8 minus what is tan C? 1 by 8 into what is tan A? Tan A is 4 by 7. It is 4 by 7. Is that clear? So now let us simplify it now. So which is equal to, this is 4 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 8 minus, you can cancel here, 4 ones are 4, this is 4 twos are 8, right? So 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 7 twos are 14 into 7. What is that? 14 into 7. What is that? 14 into 7. 7 fours are 28. 8 2 7 ones are 7 plus 2 is 98, isn't it? Or 7 sevens are 49 into 2. 49 into 2 is 9 twos are 18. 8 1 4 twos are 8 plus 1 is 9, 98. So this whole divided by, so here also you can cancel this. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, right? So 1 minus 4 by, this is 7 sevens are 49 minus 1 by 8 sevens are 56 minus, this is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, this is 1 by 14. This is your 1 by 14. Is that clear? So let us simplify it now. Okay. So let us simplify here. So let us take the LCM of, in the numerator, 7, 7, 8 and 98. What's the LCM of 7, 7, 8 and 98? 8 and 98. So 7. So it can be divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. 8 cannot be divided by 7. So write 8. And this is 7 ones are 7, 28. 7 fours are 28. Right? So again, you can divide it by 2. 1 cannot be divided by 2. So write 1, 1. This is 2 fours are 8. This is 2 sevens are 14. Is that clear? So now, this is 4 and this is 7. Okay? So now you can multiply all these numbers. 7 sevens are 49. This is 7 sevens are 49 and 4 twos are, this is 8. So how much is it now? 8 9s are 72. 2, 7, 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32 plus 7 is 39. So this is 392. Is that clear? So it is what? It is 392. So what's the LCM here now? In the numerator, the LCM is 392. So LCM here is 392. Okay. So now this is 7. Now 392 is divided by 7. So if you divide 392 by 7, how much is it? 392 is divided by 7. Right? So 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 40, 7 5s are 35, 39 minus 35 is 42, 7 6 are 42. So it is 56. So 56 multiplied by 4. So 56 multiplied by 4, what is it? 4 6 are 24, 4 2, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 is 22. So it is 224. So this is 224, right? Then plus sign. So again 392 is divided by 7, it is 56. So 56 into 1, 56 into 1 is 56 plus, is that clear? This 392 is divided by 7. So if you divide 392 by 7, you will get 56. 56 into 1 is 56. Now this 392 is divided by 8. Now this 392 is divided by 8. You know that 8 5s are 40, 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. So 39 minus 32, 72. 8 9s are 72. So this 392 is divided by 8 to get 49. So 49 into 1 is 49. So minus, now this 392 is divided by 98. So how much time it goes? 4 times I think. 98 into 4. 4 8s are 32, 3, 9 4s are 36 plus 3, 37, 38, 39. That is 392. That means it goes 4 times. So 98 multiplied by 4 will be 392, isn't it? 4 8s are 32, 2, 3 9 4s are 36 plus 3 is 39. So it goes 4 times. So 4 1s are 4. Right? This is 4. Is that clear? Now similarly in the denominator you can get the LCM of 49, 56 and 54. 49, 56 and 14. 49, 56 and 14, right? Get the LCM of 49, 56 and 14. What is it? It can be divided by 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 2s are 14. Again 2. 7 is not divided by 2, right? 7. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. Okay, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, right? So 7 7s are what? 7 7s are 49. This is 7 7s are 49. 4 2s are 8. So I think this is also 8 9s are 72, 2, 7, 8 4s are 32 plus 7 is 392. This is also 392. So this is your 392 is the LCM. Now this 392 is below 1 there is 1. So this 392 is divided by 1. So it is 392. 392 into 1 is 392. This is 392, then comes minus 49. So if you divide 392 by 49, how much it goes? Now 392 is divided by 49. That is 49 into 8 is 392. That means if you divide 392 by 49, you will get 8. 8 4s are 32. So this is 8 4s are 32 minus 56 is there. So 56 into how much is 392? Or 392 is divided by 56. How much time it goes? 7. 7 6 are 42. 2 4 7 5s are 7 6 are 42 2 4 7 5s are 35 plus 4 is 39. That means it goes I think it goes 7 times, isn't it? 7 6 are 42, 4 7 5 are 35, plus 4 is 39. So it is 392. That means it goes 7 times. Okay, so 7 ones are 7 minus, now there is 14. So 392 is divided by 14. 392 is divided by 14. So 14 twos are 28. So 9 minus 8 is 1, 1, 2, 7 times, isn't it? 7 fours are, oh not 7 times, sorry. 8 times. 8 fours are 32, 2, 3, 8 ones are 8 plus 3 is 11. So that means 28 times. So 28 times. So if you divide 392 by 14, it goes 28 times. So it is minus 28. So it is minus 28. So I think I want to study it. Okay. So this LCM will be cancelled. So which is equal to, now add them. 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 9 is 19. 9, 1. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12, 2. Then 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. That is 329 minus 4. Divided by. This is 392. Right? 392. Minus, minus, minus. Same sign. You have to add them. So minus 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 77. 1. This is 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay. So which is equal to now 329 minus 4. What is it? 325 divided by, now subtract 392 minus 67. Subtract 67 from 392. 12 minus 7 is 5. Now this is 8. 8 minus 6 is 2 and this is 3. 325 ones are 325. That means you can cancel it. So it is 1. Okay. So this 1 is the value for tan of a plus b plus c. Therefore, tan of this is a plus b plus c is equal to what? It is 1. So tan of which angle is 1? Tan 45. So, or this is tan of a plus b plus c is equal to, this is your tan 45 degree. Is that clear? So from both the sides you can cancel that tan. So what do we get? So a plus b plus c is equal to, this is 45 degree. So it is proved. So I think you have understood it. So we have proved that a plus b plus c is equal to 45 degree. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is for number 1. The question is, you have to find out the value for cos of theta plus phi. This is known as Greek letter, that is theta, you know that. This is known as what? Phi. This is known as phi. Where theta and phi are acute angles. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. So both these angles theta and phi lie in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant all the trigonometrical ratios are positive. And also it is given that sin theta is equal to 4 by 5 and sin phi is equal to 3 by 5. That is also positive. So in order to get the value for cos of theta plus phi, you know the formula of cos of a plus b, isn't it? What is cos of theta plus phi? It is cos theta cos phi minus sin theta sin phi. So from these values of sin theta and sin phi, you should get the values of both cos theta as well as cos phi. Okay. So let us calculate cos theta from the value of sin theta given. Okay. So here given is sin theta is equal to, this is 4 upon 5. Since sin theta is positive in the first quadrant, cos theta is also positive in the first quadrant. So you have to get the value for cos theta in terms of sin theta now. Okay. So therefore, what is cos theta in terms of sin theta? It is positive square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. So or now this is cos theta is equal to root over 1 minus what is sine theta whole square? It is 4 by 5 whole square. Or now this is cos theta is equal to root over 1 minus this is 16 by 25. Or what is cos theta now? It is root over 25 ones are 25 minus 16 is 9 by 25. So what is the value for cos theta? Square root of 9 is 3 divided by square root of 25 is 5. That means cos theta is equal to 3 upon 5. So we got it. Okay. Now again from sin phi you have to get the value for cos phi. Okay. So let us write sin phi now. So here sin phi is equal to 3 by 5. Now from this value of sin phi you have to find out the value for cos phi. So what is cos phi in terms of sin phi? It is positive square root of cos phi is equal to, it is positive square root of 1 minus sin square phi. Okay. So or this is cos phi is equal to root over 1 minus this is your 3 by 5 whole square. Or now this is cos phi is equal to root over this is 1 minus 9 by 25. Is it clear to all of you? So next one is, or this is cos phi is equal to root over 25 ones are 25 minus 9. That is your 16 by 25. Okay. So or what is cos phi is equal to, this is 4 divided by 5. So we have got the value for cos phi also. Okay. Now you can easily get the value for cos of theta plus phi. So let us find out now cos of theta plus phi. So therefore it is cos of theta plus phi is equal to, what is the formula? What is cos of theta plus phi now? This is in the form cos of a plus b. Okay, what is the formula? What is the formula now? It is cos a cos theta cos b cos phi minus what is sin a sin theta sin phi. So which is equal to, what is cos theta? What is the value for cos theta? It is 3 by 5. It is 3 by 5 into what is cos phi? It is 4 by 5. It is 4 by 5. Then minus sign is here. What is sin theta? 4 by 5. It is 4 by 5 into what is sin phi? Sin phi is 3 by 5. Sin phi is 3 upon 5. So which is equal to 4 3s are 12 divided by 5 5s are 25 minus 4 3s are 12 divided by 5 5s are 25. Okay. So both of these will be cancelled, which is equal to 0. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is 4 number 2. We will do 4 number 2 here. This 4 number 3 will be a homework. Okay. I will not give you the hint for this 4 number 3. Okay. You have to try yourself. Right. So 4 number 3 is, if tan alpha is equal to 7 by 5 and tan beta is equal to 5 by 7, then you have to find out the values of both tan of alpha plus beta and cot of alpha minus beta. Okay. So let's do this question number 4 number 2 here. Okay. If sec theta is equal to 5 by 4 and cosec phi is equal to 13 by 12, then find the value of sec within bracket theta plus phi. But we don't know the formula for sec of a plus b, isn't it? But we know the formula of cos of a plus b. So this is in the form of sec theta. It is 1 by cos theta. What is sec of theta plus phi in terms of cos? It is 1 upon cos of theta plus phi. And what is cos of theta plus phi? It is cos theta cos phi minus sin theta sin phi. So from this given value of sec theta and cosec phi, we can easily get the value for sine theta, cos theta as well as sine phi, cos phi. Okay, so let us find it first. So here sec theta is equal to 5 upon 4. So what is cos theta? So cos theta is just the opposite of sec theta, isn't it? So cos theta will be equal to, this is 4 by 5. Okay, so from this value of cos theta you can easily get the value for sine theta, and in this case also you should take this theta and phi as positive acute angles. Okay, so in this case also you can take this theta and phi as positive acute angles, and all the angles lie in the first quadrant. Positive acute angle means these angles lies in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant all the trigonometrical ratios are positive. Okay, so we can take sine theta as positive, right? So sine theta is equal to, what is sine theta in terms of cos? It is sine theta is equal to root over 1 minus cos square theta. So, or this is sine theta is equal to root over 1 minus, what is cos theta whole square? This is 4 by 5 whole square. Or now this is sine theta is equal to root over 1 minus 16 by 25, isn't it? 4 whole square 16 divided by 5 whole square 25. So, or sine theta is equal to root over, this is 25 ones are 25 minus 16. This is 9 by 25. Or what is sine theta is equal to, this is your 3 upon 5. So we have got sine theta is equal to 3 upon 5. Similarly, from cosec phi you can get sine phi as well as cos phi. Okay, so again cosec phi is given, that is 13 by 12, and you know that sine phi and cosec phi are opposite trigonometric function, isn't it? So we can write here sine phi is just the opposite of cosec phi, that is it is 12 by 13. So from sine phi you can easily get the value for cos phi, that is cos phi is equal to, within square root 1 minus, this is your sine square phi, right? So what is the value for sine phi? You can put the value for sine phi in this case, that is 12 by 13 whole square, right? So, or this is cos phi is equal to, within square root 1 minus 12 upon 13 whole square, right? So, or this is cos phi is equal to root over 1 minus, what is 12 whole square? 144 divided by, what is 13 whole square? 169, you know that, isn't it? Or now this is cos phi is equal to, within square root 169 ones are 169 minus 144, what do we get? It is 25 divided by 169. Or what is cos phi is equal to, what is square root of 25? 5 divided, what is root over 169? That is your 13, that is 5 by 13. So we have got all the values of sine theta, cos theta, sine phi as well as cos phi. Now we can easily get the value for sec within bracket theta plus phi. Okay, so let us write here now, therefore sec within bracket theta plus phi. So which is equal to, this is 1 upon cos of, this is theta plus phi. You know that, isn't it? Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. So similarly, what is sec of theta plus phi? It is 1 upon cos of theta plus phi. Okay, so now we can use the formula in this case, 1 upon, this is cos of a plus b. What is the formula? Cos theta cos phi minus sine theta sine phi. Is it clear to all of you? So I think you have understood it. This is in the form of cos of a plus b. You know the formula, cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. Instead of a there is theta, and instead of b there is phi. Okay, so which is equal to 1 upon, let us put the value now. What is cos theta? 4 by 5. It is 4 by 5 into, what is cos phi? 5 by 13. It is 5 by 13 minus, what is sine theta? It is 3 by 5. It is 3 by 5 into, what is sine phi? It is 12 by 13. It is 12 by 13. Okay. So don't cancel here. Okay. So don't simplify it. 1 upon, now this is 4 5s are 20 divided by 20, 13 5s are 65 minus 12 3s are 36, 12 3s are 36 divided by 13 5s are 65. Okay. So which is equal to 1 upon, what's the LCM now? This is your 65 is the LCM. Now this is 20 minus 36 is equal to 1 upon. So now this is, what is 20 minus 36? Minus 16 by 65. This is minus 16 by 65. 20 minus 36, different sign, you have to subtract it. So 36 minus 20 will be 16, and you have to write down the sign of the greater number, that is minus 16 by 65. So after calculating, so when it goes up in the numerator, it becomes minus 65 by 16. So this is the final answer. So what is the value for sec within bracket theta plus phi? It is minus 65 by 16. So I think you have understood it. So this question is very, very important. So you can do this for number 3 at home. This is your homework, and we have done this for number 2. You can copy it. So I think you have understood it. So this much is for today. त आज पनि हामीले जतिवटा प्रब्लम्सहरु सबै घरमा रिभिजन गर्नु. Try to understand all these problems. I gave you the homework also. You do it at home. Okay. So in the next online class, we will do more problems on this trigonometrical ratios of compound angles. So this much is for today.